Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Geo top-up balance. First, it's important to understand that this balance is for specific services not covered by your primary plan. To begin, open the My Geo application on your smartphone, or if you prefer, you can access your account through the official Geo website. Once logged in, you will need to navigate to the Recharge or Balance section to view and manage your account details. This is your starting point for all balance-related activities. To check your top-up balance, simply open the My Geo application on your smartphone. Once the app loads, look for the My Account or Balance section, which is usually prominently displayed on the home screen or within the main menu. Tapping on this section will reveal a detailed breakdown of your current balances, including your primary plan's remaining benefits and any available top-up balance. Knowing your exact balance is the first step before utilizing it for any service. Your top-up balance is specifically designed for services that fall outside the scope of your regular data and voice plan. This typically includes making international calls to other countries, sending premium SMS messages to special numbers, or subscribing to various value-added services offered by Geo. When you initiate one of these services, the system automatically detects the usage and deducts the corresponding charges directly from your available top-up balance. There is no manual selection required. It happens seamlessly in the background. Here are some important tips regarding your top-up balance. Firstly, this balance does not have an expiry date, provided your primary Geo plan remains active. Secondly, it's crucial to understand that your top-up balance cannot be converted into regular data, talk time, or SMS for your main plan. It serves a distinct purpose. Finally, always take a moment to review the specific charges for international calls or any premium services you intend to use, as these rates can vary significantly. Being informed helps you manage your balance effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.